The issue regarding the RSS route march in Tamil Nadu was heard before the Supreme Court but has for now been adjourned to the 17th of March. We're speaking to Senior Adv Mahesh Jethmalani, who's appearing for the RSS in the Supreme Court. So the government is saying we will give you restricted areas, we'll give you specific routes to march in. What are the arguments that were held in the court? What has been your stand?
Well, my stand, our stand, the RSS stand basically has been that in October, you granted permission for a procession to both the Dalit Panthers and to the DMK party. And it was with no conditions whatsoever. Why the double standards? Now, the ostensible reason given, and which has been accepted by the first court whose judgment has been overturned by a division bench, was that according to intelligence reports which the DMK government produced in court, there was likely to be attacks on a procession by the RSS in view of the ban of the PFI by the central government. So I said, but we are willing that the state government should be able to control it. It's a fundamental right of mine to peacefully carry out a procession, right to assemble without arms. They've abdicated their duty. The police in Tamil Nadu.
So you're saying that the police in Tamil Nadu is not able to ensure law and order?
I'm not saying they can't, but that's their ostensible reason, which I can't believe, that a terrorist organization which is banned is going to prevent citizens of the country and a group like the RSS from taking out a open procession, an undiluted unhindered procession.
Is this a political issue, sir? Does the RSS believe that they're not being allowed to hold those processions because of political reasons?
It seems to be. It seems to be, and that they've allowed it to the DMK and the Dalit Panther after they prohibited ours.
Okay.
On grounds, simple ground only, that the ban of the PFI by the central government would be likely to create some kind of incidents when we took out our procession open.
So just one last question. The government says this is a law and order issue, that there are intelligence reports. And so why can't your organization then accept the routes and the areas that are being prescribed by the government? Just have the procession in a safe manner.
The safe manner you're talking about is they want it within a compound, in any stadium or anything. So we'll be walking only for ourselves. This is not, the idea is to demonstrate that we have a right to move publicly. Not that we want to, have our procession in a maidan or in a stadium.
So the argument that is being raised by the RSS is that you want to be allowed in public areas, in residential areas, in public spaces, and not be restricted in a particular...
Yes, and the greater argument is you should have the right to control law and order. Is this an admission by the state government of Tamil Nadu that they do not have the capacity or the wherewithal to control a banned terrorist organization?
So even for the sake of law and order or security, you would rather that the organization be allowed to do the procession in public
that's putting
spaces.
the question wrongly. We don't believe there's a law and order situation. Okay. We believe that's a feeble excuse.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Jethmalani.
Thank you.
The hearing will now be on the 17th of March. For now, on the 5th of March, which was the scheduled date of the processions by the RSS, there will be no procession in Tamil Nadu. But the question still remains, what exactly is happening on the ground, since the Tamil Nadu government is saying that we would prescribe certain areas where the march can happen. The RSS says you cannot use a law and order situation and as an excuse to curb the fundamental right of speech, expression and gathering. In New Delhi, this is Aneesha Mathur for India Today.